artists, it's time to add our sailboats, and your sailboat obviously does not need to look just like mine. I'm going to start out with my pencil, and I'm just going to draw the little base of my sailboat like so. And notice that I'm making the bottom of my boat even with that little horizon line, so it's kind of on top of that water right there. I'm going to go ahead also, I could do one sail, I could do two sails, I could do more than that, completely up to you. You do want to make it pretty simple, like so. I might do another little sail kind of coming up like that, easy peasy. Now, with my paint, just a reminder that with your paint brushes, you want to have one paintbrush go into each color. In other words, this paintbrush that goes into this blue paint is not going to go into any other color today. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint the base of this boat, being very gentle with that paintbrush always, and filling this in. I'm doing this pretty quickly. I don't want to sit there and talk, because if I sit there and talk, this paint is going to dry and this process is not going to work. Now, very important, while this is still wet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this paper, and I already have that crease from folding it last time. I'm going to fold this paper, and I'm going to press and rub gently. I'm not going to bang it. And then I'm going to go ahead and lift it up. I don't want to leave it closed for too long. And voila! So we have this little reflection in the water. It's not going to be perfect and solid. You don't want it to be, because that's kind of how it's going to look in the water. And oops, I got some little dots right there. I could turn that into something fun, or I'm not even going to worry about it. I might take my same little flat tip paintbrush, and I might go ahead and just do like a little outline going up, 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 being very gentle. Now, while this is still wet, again, I'm going to fold it, I'm going to press and rub, and voila. Again, that's not perfect, it's not solid, I don't want it to be. I'm going to go ahead with these right here, gentle, gentle. While that's still nice and wet, fold and press and rub. Again, while that's still wet, I'm going to fold and press and rub, and open it up quickly. There we go. Now I might go ahead and fill in these right here. I want some color in there. So I've got this yellow. Now I want to be very careful and do my best not to get that yellow mixed into that blue. So I'm going to try to be very careful. There's not too much blue wet paint left on there anymore, because we folded and pressed and rubbed. But I'm still going to do my best not to paint over that blue. Right, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and fold and press and rub. Ooh, I'm liking how that looks. Finally, let's see, I'm going to fill in a little bit of that red. There we go. And I like that really well, like that. But if I wanted to do something like little dots or stripes, I certainly could. So I could go in here and do just tiny little dots, easy peasy. Actually, I could even turn my paintbrush over and do the little dots in the back end, like so. And then I'm going to fold and press and rub one more time. And that's that, guys. Thanks for listening. Bye.